Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to play Level Devil in your PC browser. So first of all, please like and subscribe. Then open your PC browser. So after opening your PC browser, you can go to Google search and search here for Pookie Games Level Devil. Then you need to click on the first link. So this is your Level Devil game. You can play it in your browser without any lag or any problem. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and follow for more videos like this. So bye.